Hi, welcome back to the channel.
This is Beyond Authentic Health and Beauty. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Rufus.
Hi, we're here. So today's the day when we ask everybody's brand new favourite question. Willitsoup! Willitsoup! So then, Rufus, what are we actually making today?
We're making salad soup.
So, if you remember, way back in our first ever episode, we said that a couple of years back, probably about 3 or 4 years ago, I made this as a bit of a joke and it turned out to be really yummy. So, we're going to try it. So, yeah, for this recipe, you will need...
lettuce, chopped new potatoes, some tomatoes, some sweet corn, some roast chicken, and we've got a mix here of carrots, peppers, courgettes, onions, and kidney beans.
So then, let's do the nice fancy thing and lay it out all nice on a plate. I have washed my hands.
That's very good.
Yeah, about 2 days ago. This is a really good tip. So Rufus has started doing this because of our various health issues at the moment. It's really difficult for both of us to stand and cook and everything. But what Rufus will do is he'll sit and just basically chop all of these really small. You can see how finely diced they are. And then basically these sit in the fridge, and then whenever we have a meal, if we're going to do a side salad, all I do is just chop up some lettuce and chop up maybe a few tomatoes, and then the rest of it, all of this is then...
I've got a burrito mix.
Yeah, it is like our burrito mix, very similar, but it also reminds me of the salads you get in Morrison's where everything's pre-packed.
That's why I did it like that.
Yeah, and so it is absolutely delicious. So all we would normally do...
So even if it wasn't with a meal, you could like grab a bowl of it any time when you feel peckish, and it's all speed stuff mostly.
Yeah, absolutely. And then that basically would be maybe a little bit more chicken. Yeah. That would basically be your dinner. Yeah. So but all I would then do personally, if I was actually eating this is yeah, so it is sugar free, vegan friendly, calorie free, or virtually calorie free. So I think it's like, what is it, per 5 ml serving is one calorie per serving. So just to put a little bit of the sauce,
so we use a lot of their sauces and stuff that we have indoors.
So there you go, that is the lovely chicken salad. Now again,
it looks lovely.
It really does look really super yummy. So again, if you were having this on plan, you've got a ton of speed food in there in the salad itself. It should keep you full, it should keep you absolutely satiated. So there you go, that is today's meal. But we don't want to do that, so excuse me, we go straight across. And you know what we're going to do? The soup maker is on. We take it off, we take the soup, we take the dinner, and we bung it in, bung it in, bung it in, bung it in, bung boiling water, bung that lid on. Till it's smooth, and then... So it's been 6 minutes, and I'm going to put in a stock cube. Now, I've literally just got these out of the store, and it's a bit melty, but that's fine. I'm just going to pop the lid off. Have a little look as well. Have a little look halfway through. See, unfortunately, you can't see what it looks like because the steam has fogged it up. Never mind. Okay, so it has just stopped beeping. I've just unplugged it. So let's take the soup all the way over to here. Right then. So Rufus, what colour do we think the soup's going to be today? Because there's quite a bit of green went in, and then some red with the peppers and things and the tomatoes.
Maybe a caramel colour?
Oh, maybe. Okay. That's interesting.
Could be wrong.
That's interesting because...
Is it?
Oh. You're not far wrong. I think that looks almost like a leek and potato colour.
It does.
Doesn't it? Oh, it looks really nice. It smells nice. Can you smell it?
And it's super healthy.
It is super healthy.
It is super healthy.
Super healthy. I see what you did there. Right then. You've got a tasting spoon and I've got a tasting spoon. So then... let's just have a little dig in. Oh, it smells really nice, actually. Oh, super hot.
How'd you get it? Super hot.
A little under seasoned. I do think it definitely needs a bit of seasoning, so we're going to use the pink rock salt, just because I really like this. And just put what? 2, not a lot came out then, did it? That's a bit better. Right then, just put that into it. Give it a little stir. I've got to say also, I didn't realise the stock cubes were reduced salt stock cubes. So I was putting them in to get the salt seasoning, and they were reduced salt after all of that. So then, let's have a little taste now with a bit of salt. Oh yeah, it needed that.
Better.
Yeah, it needed a little bit of salt. That is actually really nice. Now, you might be thinking, why the hell would you do that to a salad? But if you are...
Would you think that was salad?
No, not at all. It doesn't taste like salad at all, does it?
But we've been eating salad all week.
Yeah, I know, but this is the thing, right? If you've made a big salad up during the week and it's either just about to go over or you're just absolutely bored of eating salad, it's a really good way to use up a salad and also to do it in a way that is really yummy.
Well, you'd have peppers on a salad.
Yep.
You have cucumber, tomatoes on the salad,
lettuce
on the salad. That doesn't taste like lettuce to me, but there's lettuce in there.
Yep.
I'd say kidney beans and sweet corn. You can't see sweet corn in it.
No. And if you wanted to do obviously a vegan or veggie version, you just take the chicken out. But actually, do you know what? It just tastes like a really light vegetable soup, doesn't it?
A little bit more because you got potatoes.
Because the potatoes, yeah. And even the sweet corn. If you wanted to thicken it up even more, you could put some chickpeas in it.
And 100 grams of rice noodles that you can put in it. They're on plan as well, and they are a free food. So
yeah, so you could just add, this is 200 grams of this, so we were basically saying that if this tasted really nice, like it does, then what we might do for tomorrow, because there's more than enough here for us to have 2 bowls each. So what we'll basically do tomorrow is split this packet and put this in with the other bowls into a jug in the microwave, yeah, and then it will actually be almost like a noodle soup then as well. So it's, again, another really good way of using salad. So then, Rufus, what do we think for salad soup? Scores on the doors out of 10. What would you give it? I keep eating it. It's really yummy.
I would give it a 10.
You'll give it a 10?
I think it's really, really nice.
Okay. Okay. I would give it a 9. Only because I think that we still need somewhere to go in the point scoring system in case we get something that is absolutely amazing and blows my mind. So, but I think that is a good solid 9. All the salad ingredients are super cheap right now. But just like a packet of salad from the shop, some tomatoes, have a look in the reduced section.
What about if you put rocket into the salad, rocket salad in it as well?
Oh yeah, that'd be a bit of a peppery,
really nice.
yeah, a bit of a peppery twist to it. Yeah. So yeah, there you go. So you gave it...
I think it's a 10. I
you gave it a 10.
It, bearing in mind it is very, very healthy as well, and it's totally on plan on Slimming World, so it's, I'd say, for everyone.
But yeah, Slimming World, Weight Watchers, whatever, and it's so simple to make. But you gave it a 10, I gave it a 9, so overall this gets 9.5 out of 10.
Bearing in mind as well, we did read the comments, and there was someone in the comments as well that wanted some ideas of a soup version of something healthy.
So yeah, no, that's a really good point, Rufus, because I think they were asking for steamed chicken and steamed vegetables. So this isn't quite steamed chicken and vegetables, but with your steamed chicken you could put in if you're a bit bored of it. And then if you've got some salad, I don't know what the reason was that you were sticking to the steamed veg, but if you've got some salad that you can have because of dietary needs, this would also, like, again, just make a really nice soup. And again, of course, I mean, look at all the herbs and spices we've got here. You can bung a ton of herbs and spices in if you wanted. You really could. The one thing I would say, it didn't taste very garlicky at all with this sauce. So maybe that would be, again, something I would do again in future, because there's so much water in there. You could
always put some of the other dry garlic or a little bit of fresh spoon, a little teaspoon of fresh in it.
Yeah, absolutely, just to elevate it to the next level. But anyway, there you are, everybody. That is a reproduction of our first ever weird soup that we made a few years back. And I've got to say, it holds up really well.
I did laugh about that. It was like, salad soup? No one's ever going to... It's just not going to take off. Who's going to have that? It was fantastic.
It was really nice, and I'm going to have some more of this because this is really, really yummy.
I said it was really nice soup anyway. It's like even the last one we did, but...
Definitely needed that extra salt. That's just giving it the kick it needed.
Leave us a comment. So, like I say, if you have an idea for a video, then, like I say, put it in the comments. I said, and we'll definitely look at that and see if we can do it in a future video.
If you like this video, please do give it a good old thumbs up. That really helps us out with the algorithm. If you haven't already, please do hit the subscribe button, click your bell icon, and change your settings to all so that YouTube notifies you each and every time we upload a video. So then, Rufus, we've answered the question, will it soup? Should it soup?
Yes.
Yes, I agree.
Definitely.
I agree. This is a really good way of using up some salad items if you want to turn it into something a little bit different. So there you go. That is it from us. And as we always say, stay you, stay healthy, and stay authentic. We will see you next time when we ask the question, will it soup? Bye!